Maybe she'll roll over again, folks. Yeah. Oh my gosh! She did it again, Daddy!
I've seen it.
No, she did it on the floor this time.
Did?
Yeah.
Well, she's rolling over already.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna roll over again? Yeah. Ready? Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Hey, get your hand out. Let's see. Let's show Grandma. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, let's show that Grandma. Yeah, ready? Ready? Oh, yeah, that was the position. Oh, is he gonna roll that way? He gonna roll that way? Oh my goodness! Come on, come on, Abigail. Oh, there she goes, Grandma! Yeah! Yes! That's so great!